Hi, I'm Sam Pasquale, and this is my bike check. So starting off, I have the Odyssey Parin. They're real durable. No problems with them. Had them for about a year. And here's the ODI Super Softs. It's about a year too. No problems. Moving on, I have the Perfect 11 from S&M. Had them for about 2 years. They're rusting up, but they're still strong. Moving down, I have the Shadow Conspiracy Chula Strem. It's black. It's real durable too. Had that for about a year. Moving down, I have the Shadow Conspiracy headset, along with the Shadow Conspiracy Captive V2 forks, with the Shadow Conspiracy hub guards with the Shadow Raptor hub, laced with Shadow spokes, and an E-Claw tripping rim. Moving on, I have the Shadow Valor 2.4s, same in the back. I have the Sabrosa Thunder Beast 2.5, really nice frame. Had it for about a year, no problems with it at all. Shadow Conspiracy seat, a We the People seat post, it's pivotal. I have the Shadow Supreme chain. I really recommend it. It's a really nice strong chain, great for sprocket grinds. I have the Shadow Killer cranks with Shadow pedals, they're metal, and a Shadow bottom bracket with the Shadow Multis spline drive sprocket. Moving down, I have both pegs are E-Claw Venoms. They're really nice. In the back, I have Assault Plus Trapeze free coaster with a Shadow hub guard.